What is the scientific difference between fasting and starvation?
Fasting scientifically starts somewhere close to within 12 hours to up to 24 hours. And when the carbohydrate reserves of the body are used as a source of energy, it's called as fasting. Moment it starts after maybe a few hours, initially the food is utilized. When the food intake reduces and when the carbohydrate reserves of the body is used for energy source, it's called as fasting. But after the carbohydrate source in the body depletes, gets completely used up, then the protein is used. When protein is used as a source of energy, it's called as starvation. Then you find that the muscle mass keeps on reducing, the person becomes thin, and it becomes unhealthy. Scientifically, when the carbohydrate source gets depleted and the protein source is used, it's called as starvation. Fasting is healthy for the body, starvation is unhealthy.